SEBI is proposing to increase the cap for retail investors from 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees. They have provisioned, for investors to make any kind of comments, all parties concerned to make any kind of comments up to 3rd September 2010. It's a positive move on 3 counts. Something similar to this was done back in 2005 when the limit was increased from 50,000 bucks to 1 lakh rupees. And also the percentage was increased from 25% to 35% for retail category. So it's been a considerable while. In the meantime, inflation has gone up from 4% to 10% or so. Also, the Sensex itself has moved from 8,000 to 18,000 levels. And if you look at it, most of the retail applications come in the about 75% of retail applications come in 80,000 to 1 lakh rupee category. So there is plenty of appetite from the retail investors. They can obviously raise the bar from 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees. Also in HNI category, there is hardly any applications done up to 5 lakh rupees. So there is that gap from 1 lakh to 5 lakh which needs to be filled. So this is, SEBI could have done a lot better from, instead of 2 lakhs, they could have obviously raised it up to 5 lakhs. But at least they are moving in the right direction. Also for a bigger issue size, it could be the say 4,000 crore issue or a 5,000 crore issue. Retail application are up to 35% as per ICDR guidelines. So to fill that demand, there needs to be a lot of applications from retail category, and those number of applications are not there, considering the demat account size in India is about 1.68 CR, which is very low. So with all these factors in mind, it's a very positive step. The only thing that could have done better is making sure that every retail investor who wants to participate in an IPO gets some sort of subscription, since the one lot size is about 5,000 to 7,000 rupees. So they could have made sure that everyone who wants to apply for an issue gets some subscription.